Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to pin comments in YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want to highlight an important comment or keep a key message at the top, this feature is really useful for engagement. First, open YouTube in your browser and sign in to your account. Then click your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. Once inside, click the Comments tab from the left side menu. This is where all viewer comments are managed. Now scroll through and find the comment you want to pin. This could be your own comment or a viewer's comment. Hover over the comment and click the three-dot menu next to it. Now click Pin to move that comment to the top of the comment section for everyone to see. YouTube may ask you to confirm. Just click Pin Comment again to finalize it. Now refresh the video page and you'll see the pinned comment at the top of the comments section. If you pin a new comment, it will automatically replace the old one. You can also unpin it anytime from the same menu. And pinning your own comment with links, timestamps, or updates is a great way to guide viewers and boost engagement. So that's how to pin comments in YouTube Studio in 2026. It's a simple tool, but it really helps control the conversation under your videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.